Trying to see if this $20 Amazon wiper blades for my Lexus works fine. It has a refillable blade, which is pretty nice, and I have two of them, and they have their own brand, ASLAM. So this looks pretty nice. It's the same as my old one. The problem with my old one is that they don't last. See this one over here? Yeah. And same thing with the other one. It's even worse there. This portion is actually like completely detached. So we'll see how it works. So pretty much this one is like I think you just like slide it off. Yeah, you just slide it off, I think down, and then so this one just slides off. I think there's like a clip in here that you press like up, then it will just slide off like that. So we'll compare it with the ones that they have here. I think this is the longer. This should be the longer one. So this looks pretty identical in length, and this is where over time it gets damaged. Now they have a brand of their own here stamped. This one is so generic. I don't know what brand it is, but it's not Lexus. So I think this one opens up. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so this one, you just need to pry this one up fully, and then you're gonna slide it here. Let's see. Oh. Yep. Slide it here. And yep, that's it. It's locked. And then this cover, put the cover back in. And then it should lock this one up. Yep. There you go. Quick installation. So I got the extra stuff here. So I don't know how long it will last, but I'm just gonna refill it next time. Actually, the old one is not that bad actually, but I don't know what the brand for this one is. It's so generic. Okay, doing the passenger side. Yeah, look at that. It's even worse. So pressing the behind of this again and sliding it out. Out, opening this one, probably should be this way. Yeah, it's gonna be hard with one hand, so but you know the drill, just slide it in. Got it all in, and then you could put this back in to lock it. Let's see. And it's pretty secure now. Lock. Yep. You need to press it and make it flush all the way in.